everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing some Laura Mercier products. I'm going to do a quick tutorial and then just talk you through each product and tell you what I think. So just a little disclaimer, all these products have been sent to me as PR, but they're not being sent to me to make a video with. This is just something I'm choosing to do. I will leave links to everything in my description. If you want to see what I thought to them, then please keep watching. So first of all, I'm taking the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer and I'm applying this all over. So now I'm applying the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. So I've only actually just realised this has got SPF 30 in. I've already applied my sun cream, so I'm not too worried about the coverage from the SPF in this. I prefer to take a little and blend it out. However, if you are wanting the coverage from a tinted moisturiser for the SPF, then make sure you're applying a lot more. So I'm literally just blending this out in my hands. I've used this a couple of times now and I feel this is the best way I get it to sit nicely. Just rubbing this all over. I just like to go back in with a foundation brush and just make sure that everything is blended out nicely. I'm using the shade 2W1 in a tinted moisturiser. It does look super orange when you first take it out, but it actually blends out to be a really nice colour. So now moving on to concealer, I'm actually going to be using the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra-Longwear Concealer, and this one's in the shade 2W. So what I'm actually going to do is go into any imperfections with this concealer and just cover them up using this, and then I'm going to be using a different shade for under my eyes. I'm just applying this anywhere that might need a little bit more coverage to what the tinted moisturiser gave us. And I'm just taking a really small sponge and I'm just blending this out. This colour literally matches my skin tone so well. But now I've covered up any areas that I wanted to, I'm just going to be taking the same concealer, however this is in the shade 1N, and I'm applying this underneath the eyes just to brighten, and I'm just going slightly out here just to lift everything. And then I'm just blending that out with that small sponge again. I just feel like this concealer is such good coverage, but also it blends out so well. It's not like really thick and heavy feeling. So what I like to do is I like to focus majority of the product underneath the eye, leaving a little bit of a gap, and then what I do is I go in with a brush and just blend that out just so that it's not too heavy and it's less likely to crease. So taking this brush, anything that's left I'm just bringing it up and it's less likely to crease as there's a lot less product. Now I'm taking the Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is amazing. Honestly, I feel like sometimes with powders you can feel like a little bit cakey, but this doesn't do that. So you can use a sponge, but I like to use a brush as I'm not a fan of using loads and loads of product. So just literally sweeping it all over the face just to set everything in place. Where I get more oily, I'm patting it on rather than sweeping, just to make sure there's plenty of product. So off camera I've just applied some bronzer and blusher. So next I'm going in with a Laura Mercier Face Illuminator in the shade Indiscretion. This is absolutely stunning. Absolutely gorgeous, this shade. So this is definitely like more of an illuminator over a highlighter. It's going to give you that really soft finish. So I like to get plenty on the brush and then I'm just going to apply this to my cheekbones. I don't know if you can see on camera, but it's literally just such a soft glow. And then I'm just going to apply some here, just above the brows. I'm hoping you can see literally how soft and just so pretty this is on camera. So I'm just going to go and do my lipstick and I'll be right back. This is the finished look, so a little bit about all the products. With the primer, I feel like the primer makes your skin feel super silky, super smooth. However, I feel like with primers, it's one of them products I can take it or leave it. Laura Mercier as a brand is expensive, but I feel like you pay for what you get with Laura Mercier. The products are amazing and such high quality. If you are a bit like me and you don't always use a primer in your makeup, then maybe leave this one out. But if you feel like your skin's quite dry and you do benefit from a primer, then I would definitely recommend this. The Tinted Moisturizer, I absolutely used to love tinted moisturisers when I was younger. This is so nice. Definitely going to be one of my go-tos. I feel like when you pull the product out, it's very orange toned. However, when it goes on the skin, as you can see, I don't think personally that I look orange at all. Nice and light, but also give me a bit of a glow, and it's got SPF 30, which is a huge plus. Next, moving on to the concealers. Absolutely love these concealers. The coverage is brilliant. They feel lovely and light on the skin, and they blend out so easily, and they don't feel cakey under the eye either, which is something I know a lot of us have problems with. And then onto the translucent powder. Absolutely love this product. Been using it for a while now. Literally use it every time I do my makeup. Definitely worth the price. And lastly, the Illuminator. So I absolutely love the colour of this. I also have this one in like a goldy colour, I think. Honestly, they're so pretty. Definitely more of a softer glow than a bright highlight, which if that's what you want, definitely so pretty, such stunning shades. And I just love the way it looks in the pan as well. So nice. I will leave links to everything in my description, and I hope you all have a lovely day, and I will see you all again very soon.